Welcome to Mr. Jaw's class, where I, Mr. Jaw, cover educational topics in a short amount of time. Let's get started. So Leon Edwards wins the most improved MMA fighter of 2023. This deserves a custom physics Google quiz. Let's just hear from Ariel Hawani about why Leon Edwards earned this award. And then I'll show the custom physics Google quiz I made, featuring common names and locations of the West Midlands.
To most improved fighter of the year, that Mr. Sean Strickland, who was on a 2-fight losing streak, would be a prime candidate to win this award as well. But ultimately, I'm going to go with someone who I think going into this year, a lot of people are like, yeah, cool, great 2022, but it's all going to come to an end in 2023. Not only did it not come to an end for him, I think he surprised a lot of people given the matchups. I don't think many people would have predicted that he would have come out on top given the matchups staring him in the face. And I'm talking about the reigning defending UFC welterweight champion, Leon Edwards. He ends the year as champion, knocking out Kamaru Usman.
By showing him the left. Oh! And a perfect left high kick.
That is amazing.
I didn't even see it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
And I think a lot of people thought, lucky shot in the trilogy, you are going to lose to Usman. What does he do? He dominates him. To do that against Usman and Colby this year, yes, I know he was a champion already. I don't know if anyone has improved so much to now becoming a complete mixed martial artist, to where we're talking about him among the pound-for-pound greats in the sport. Leon Edwards has come a very, very long way and has really surprised me at how he has put it all together, in particular in the grappling department. So he is my pick for most improved fighter of the year, Leon Rocky Edwards.
Leon Edwards. Leon, please describe what this feels like.
Can't put into words, Joe. It's been a long 4 years. The old doubted me said I couldn't do it. The old said I couldn't do it. Look at me now.
Now that deserves a tailor-made Google quiz. This is a physics quiz that teaches students about speed. This is part of a lesson on kinematics. They are given values for distance and time, and it covers 2 different scenarios. Here we see they're given the formula sheet. Let's take a look at some examples. So Mia is at a track and field meet in Birmingham and runs 431 meters in a time of 54.89 seconds. What was Mia's speed in meters per second? And they're also given the formula there. Here we have 5 different options for possible answer choices, and there's also an I don't know option. And then we have another scenario, which is this one right here. So it takes George 9.0 hours to drive 573.3 kilometers to go to Gilbert Stone. What was George's speed in kilometers per hour? Now, one of the things you'll notice is that the names change. And so these names are actually some of the most common names in the West Midlands area. And these are locations from the area. So some of these are suburbs of Birmingham and others are cities in the West Midlands. Now I chose this location because when Leon Edwards came from Jamaica, he actually moved to Birmingham. Now the reason why I like Google quizzes is because they're automatically graded, and therefore students can see the results they got and they can try again. And of course with math, you gotta practice. So I love Google quizzes because it gives students the ability to try again and get the practice that they need so they can get better at these equations. Want to preview this quiz? Click the preview link in the description. And if you need physics or physical science quizzes, check out my TPT store where I have hundreds of physics Google quizzes and worksheets. And also, if you don't find what you're looking for, message me in the comments and I'll work on that quiz as quickly as I can. Thank you for watching, and as always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.